J&J Rail fans out on Chase. We're in New Albany, Indiana. We caught this one right outside of Georgetown, Edwardsville. It's got a special one on it. It's 8105, the international unit, the heritage unit. Here she comes. We're down by, what is it, Middle Creek.
Middle Creek River.
Yeah, it's a creek, Joel. Middle Creek. Hopefully Mommy got a better shot. I got a terrible shot of it. Exciting. Feel the breeze. The end of it's coming up. Nope. Nope, fake me out. There's some more cars. Coil racks. More auto racks coming after the end? Is that the end of it? No DPU. Like and subscribe. There's the tail end of it. Like and subscribe. God bless and have a good day. J&J Rail fans.